In this video, I'm going to draw a pentagon inscribed inside of a 4-inch circle using the divide command to help assist me. Then afterwards, I'm going to calculate the length of the pentagon that I created inscribed. To begin, I'm going to start by drawing a circle that's 4 inches in diameter. So I'm going to use the center diameter option. Click here in my graphics area and type 4. Next, I want to use the divide command. So I type in the word divide, press enter. The first question is going to ask me is to select the object to divide, which is a circle. I'm going to type in 5 for the number of segments because a pentagon has 5 points. At this time, I want to use the command DDP type and press enter. This command identifies the point style. For my point style, I want to use what's in this 4th column here, the X. For my point size, I'm going to make it a 2. Then next, hit the OK button. As you can see, my points are now X's, and I can see them. At this time, I'm going to use the polyline command and connect all 5 points. To help assist me in my object snap, I'm going to make sure that I have node checked off. And I'm going to connect all points. Once I get to my last point, I'm going to type the letter C to close my shape. It also is the command. At this time, I can select my shape, right click, and go to properties and calculate my length being at 11.7557. This concludes my video.